Chapter 14. Adventure Time. Some people like adventurous activities which are exciting, unusual and daring. The activities are difficult and also involve some risks. Any activity which involves risk, danger and uncertain experiences is called an adventure. People who participate in these activities have true determination and the spirit of adventure. Some people are fond of adventurous lives. They travel to high mountains, distant lands, cross the rough seas, and discover dangerous jungles. These people love to face hardships as they are born with spirit of adventure. Mountaineering. Climbing mountains is called mountaineering. It is a very popular form of adventure. There are many mountain ranges in India and people from all over the world come to India for mountaineering. Those who climb mountains for adventure are called mountaineers. It requires a lot of training. Special equipments are needed to keep mountaineers safe and warm. There are many institutions that train people for the difficult adventure. The Nehru Institute of Mountaineering in Uttarakhand and the Himalayan Mountaineering Institute in West Bengal are two important places where people get trained to become professional mountaineers. In some schools and adventure camps, children are trained for mountaineering on artificial rocky surfaces. Mountain ranges and expeditions. India has a number of mountain ranges. The Himalayas in the north, and the East Mountains in the eastern and western Ghats, the Aravalis and the Vindhyachal in central India. Mountain expeditions make mountaineers physically and mentally strong. It helps to build leadership qualities. It makes one disciplined and sincere. Mountain expeditions also teach a person to remain calm in difficult situations like when the oxygen in the air becomes less. Therefore, breathing gets difficult and a person feels tired. Mountaineers carry oxygen cylinders with them as oxygen becomes less in air as we climb higher up. Hots. The 8,848 meters high Mount Everest in the Himalayan mountain is the highest peak in the world. Famous mountaineers. Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary are famous mountaineers and the first people to climb the Mount Everest. They were able to achieve this due to their love for adventure on 29th May 1953. Edmund Hillary and Tenzing. Bachendri Pal, Santosh Yadav, Dicky Dolma. Bachendri Pal was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. She had to undergo a long and difficult training program. On 23rd May 1984, she reached the world's highest peak. She was accompanied by Ang Dorji, a Sherpa chief, along with two other team members. She received a lot of praise because she looked fresh even after such a long and difficult journey. The Indian government honored her with the Padma Shri and the Arjun Award. Santosh Yadav of India is the first woman in the world to climb Mount Everest twice. First time she climbed on May 12, 1992 and again on May 10 just after a gap of 1 year. Dicky Dolma of India became the youngest woman in the world to scale Mount Everest in 1993 at the age of 19. Other adventure sports. Besides this, many other adventure sports such as skiing, paragliding, surfing, skydiving are becoming popular these days. It is good to be adventurous, but one must follow the rules, institutions' safety guidelines and take necessary safety precautions during adventure sports. Skiing, paragliding, surfing, skydiving. Value voice. An expert's guidance and supervision is very important for such adventurous activities. Key words. Adventure. An unusual, exciting and possibly dangerous activity. Expedition. A journey undertaken by a group of people with particular purpose, especially for exploration of research or war. Mountaineer, one who climbs mountains for adventure. Let's remember. Adventure is an activity which involves risk, danger and uncertainty. Sherpa Tenzing Norgay and Sir Edmund Hillary were the first to climb Mount Everest. Bachendri Pal was the first Indian woman to reach the peak. Mountaineers get trained before they go on mountain expeditions.